Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm diving into the world of Hot Wheels with a special focus on the Deora II. Today, I'll be unboxing the Deora II, which has been gaining a lots of popularity recently. And I noticed a lots of buzz about it on social media, so I decided to grab a couple from the store and decided to make a video. So let's get started with the unboxing and see what makes the Deora II so special. For those who might not know, the Hot Wheels Deora II is inspired by the original Deora show car, designed by the Harry Bradley and was introduced in 2000. The fun fact is, it's a life-size version of the Deora II was even built for 35th anniversary of Hot Wheels. How awesome is that? Holding it in my hands, I can tell you, it feels really cool. The color is stunning white with some nice detailing. The Deora II has been released in many versions over the years, including a unique eroded version by Daniel Ashen. And if you have the 1:64 scale version, that's fantastic. Personally, I think the white version really stands out. I would like to hear your thoughts on the Deora II. Do you have one in your collection? If so, please leave a comment below and let me know. So that's all for today's video. Creating these videos takes a lots of effort and research, so I would really appreciate your support. And if you enjoyed the review, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thanks for tuning in. You're all amazing and I truly appreciate your support. Because of you, the channel thrives. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.